guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with my cousin,
Sloan.
and we're going to be doing unboxing video, and it's Poopsie. It's Poopsie Surprise Unicorn. Slime. And if you're new here, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you're new here, make sure you hit that bell and you'll be notified every time I post. So let's get started. So this is it. It comes with a handle. So we're gonna
start at the bottom.
We're gonna start here. So there has this little thing, you know, in every single box. So let's start.
Okay.
Yay! You have to be gentle with it though. This is so bad, huh? Okay, now I'm gonna open it. It's like a can.
Here.
No, I know how to do it. Okay.
Here, look.
So, okay, so this is how it is. You take off the sticker and it points.
And
it's like a can. You just unbox it. And every time you go, we have to be gentle because there's gonna be a surprise for each single one.
Yeah.
Which we're just gonna take them out. So,
Yeah. So we got this thing.
you have to go like this. And you're supposed to stick on. Oh, they're coming off. They're coming off. Put them back on the thing. You need to know what they are. This one's on this. This is it. This is going terribly wrong right now. Okay, we need to know what it is.
This is a bottle. Well, then when we open it, we'll see what it is.
No, but we have to know what it is.
This is brush.
Okay. Why do we even know?
Unicorn magic. Oh.
We're gonna open our doll last, so we don't open the doll until last. Let's first open this. I want to open this one, which is her clothes. And look it! I know which one this is by the diaper because I watched a YouTube video. So this is her diaper. It has little gold clips and a pink little thing. It's so cute.
So I'm gonna open this one, and I think this is a bottle.
And I think it's the brush.
Yeah. So this is her little. This is her little drink. This is her drink.
The Slurpee. I know what it
Her
is.
little Slurpee.
This is a thing, the container to keep the slime in, which it's a keychain, so you can hang it on your backpack.
And then
Next one is to make the slime. We have unicorn food. This is what we feed her. More unicorn food.
I got the unicorn magic.
Then we have more unicorn food and more unicorn food. So we have 4 packets of unicorn food if we mess up. Next is, I don't actually know. This is unicorn shimmer. This is like glitter.
And this is her little brush.
Oh, it's so cute! It's a little cloud that's mad and it has a unicorn.
I think this is the last one, right?
That's the shirt. This one is. I'm so excited. This is the one that I wanted. This is a shirt. Let's open the doll. I know what the doll is because I watched a YouTube video of it. Look at it, you guys! It's a unicorn. So this is the one that I wanted. It's the rainbow unicorn, which we kind of use scissors. Never mind, we don't. We're gonna unbox her, which you guys can't really see.
Ooh, what is
We
this?
need to have the face part.
What is this?
Oh, that's the spoon to feed her. Go
Oh.
in the mouth.
Oh. Oh, that goes far. Oh. And then a little cup.
She come.
Okay.
I got her. Okay, wait. I need to still take her. Can you take out her potty? Anne has instructions how to do this.
Her little potty. She might have to go to the little bathroom.
I need scissors.
What is this?
My mom's here in the back.
Does this go here?
Yeah, that's where the slime comes in. Okay, my mom's just helping us a little bit.
Okay, let's open the instructions. So number 1, we have to feed her. Oh wait.
Can you cut this off of her neck?
We have to feed her.
Okay, wait.
So it says this is like all the instructions.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I'll be back. I'll be right back.
Maybe you should pause it. That's video number 1, unboxing.